Despite the seemingly straightforward act of a sperm meeting an egg, fertilization is a marvel of orchestrated complexity. It's a microscopic ballet where millions of sperm compete in a race against time and the body's natural defenses. Only a single victor gets to breach the egg's defenses, unleashing a cascade of chemical reactions that fuse their genetic material. This intricate dance, invisible to the naked eye, holds the key to unlocking the potential for a new life. The journey from sperm and egg to a fertilized zygote is a testament to the delicate balance and remarkable efficiency of our biological systems. Yet, even with this intricate choreography, there's an undeniable element of mystery. Despite advancements in science, we don't fully understand all the factors that influence this crucial first step in human development. Let's use a simple example to explain this concept. Imagine you're throwing a massive party, but only one guest gets the golden ticket to a super exclusive after party. Fertilization is kind of like that, but instead of a party, it's the beginning of a new life. Here's how it goes down. When a man and a woman have unprotected sex, ejaculation occurs where millions of sperms are released into the vagina. Out of these millions of sperms, some flow out of the vagina or are killed due to the acidic environments in the vagina. Many of the other sperms, however, start the race to the egg, also known as the ova, with the aim of fertilizing it. You might be wondering how this is possible. Well, it is very much possible because sperm cells are equipped with a head and a long tail, also known as flagellum, facilitating propulsion through the female reproductive tract. Concurrently, during ovulation, the female reproductive system undergoes changes to optimize sperm transport. The cervix plays a crucial role in this process by producing fertile cervical mucus, which aids in guiding and nourishing sperm as they traverse through the cervix and into the uterus. From the cervix, sperm continue their journey through the fallopian tubes, which are muscular organs capable of contracting to assist sperm movement. This voyage from the cervix to the fallopian tubes can take a span of several hours to days. It's important to note that many sperm cells die along the way, and only the most resilient sperm, capable of navigating the entire distance, will have the opportunity to fertilize the egg. You may be wondering how this is possible. Well, in the female reproductive system, resident cells of the immune system, such as macrophages and neutrophils, are present to defend against foreign invaders like bacteria and viruses. When sperm enter the female reproductive tract, these immune cells may mistake them for foreign invaders due to their unique proteins and antigens. As a result, the immune cells may attempt to attack and destroy some of the sperm cells, potentially hindering their ability to reach and fertilize the egg. This process is part of the body's natural defense mechanisms, but some sperm manage to evade destruction and reach the egg for fertilization. The journey through the fallopian tubes is no easy feat. Some sperm get tangled in tiny hairs called cilia and die off. As their numbers reduce, chemicals in the female reproductive tract kick in, changing the sperm's heads and giving them a burst of energy to help them swim faster and harder towards the waiting egg. After a long journey, the sperms reach the egg. Note that out of the millions of sperms released into the vagina, at this point, only a few of them make it here. To be able to fertilize, the sperm must penetrate the outer layer of the egg, called the zona pellucida. This process, known as sperm penetration or sperm-egg fusion, involves enzymes released by the sperm that help dissolve the zona pellucida, allowing the sperm to enter the egg. Once a sperm successfully penetrates the egg, the nuclei of the sperm and egg fuse together, combining their genetic material. After this fusion, the egg undergoes a change that prevents other sperm from entering, ensuring only one fertilizes the egg. The resulting cell is called a zygote, containing a complete set of chromosomes necessary for development. This moment marks the beginning of new life. After fertilization, the zygote undergoes rapid cell division through a process called cleavage. The zygote divides into 2 cells, then 4, then 8, and so on, forming a cluster of cells known as a morula. About 5 to 7 days after fertilization, the morula reaches the uterus. At this stage, it has developed into a hollow ball of cells called a blastocyst. The blastocyst attaches to the lining of the uterus in a process called implantation. Once implanted, the blastocyst receives nutrients from the mother's blood vessels, allowing it to continue growing and developing. In the following weeks, the blastocyst transforms, creating specialized cell layers for various organs and tissues, a process termed embryogenesis. Concurrently, the embryo prompts the formation of the placenta, facilitating the exchange of nutrients, oxygen, and waste between the mother and the growing fetus. From implantation onwards, the embryo continues to grow and develop into a fetus, eventually reaching full term, around 40 weeks gestation, when it is ready for birth. Thanks for watching.